was. To go a little bit more like stereotypical.
Hi.
First off, I interviewed a couple of my friends who also cosplay.
That just happened.
Nice.
Nice. Hey Dan, do your signature pose thing.
That's alright. I can't do it
Welcome to my crib.
Welcome
to my crib.
Oh, I fucked it. It's fucked itself.
We're doing ninja stuff.
Then you run in. Nuts.
Oh, sick! Yes! Fucking right. I'll drop my hands down and block him.
So what I want you to do, as to not get hit in the nuts, is as he comes. So with the stick down, have the stick down, like just on the ground.
What we're going to do, Seb, we're going to get a knife and we're
And you're just
gonna clip him
knock
off.
that bit of the stick up like that.
Oh yes, I get it off the legs.
Yeah, so good. And what you're going to do, Seb, you're going to come in to your hands and jump as he does it.
Okay, cool, yeah.
Because it looks like you've been struck.
I'll try it then.
You're gonna try and go back up, and then you're just gonna leap. And then you get down. You try to get back up.
That's right, up.
It's the grass.
And then you finish with another there.
Something hard in the ground. My back hurts now.
My dick.
Please help. Oh, let's get some water quickly.
Yeah.
And then it's